What age is Enfagrow Toddler for? Enfagrow Toddler Transitions is tailored for ages 9 to 18 months. As older infants move away from the complete nutrition of infant formula or breast milk, this product provides complete nutrition as they transition into toddlerhood. Enfagrow NeuroPro Toddler Nutritional Drink, Omega-3 DHA, Prebiotics and Non-GMO. Natural milk flavor ready-to-feed liquid 8 fluid ounces, bottle, 6 bottles. Product details. Enfagrow NeuroPro Toddler Nutritional Drink is a milk-based nutritional drink for growing toddlers ages 1 year and up. The transition from formula or breast milk to cow's milk can lead to an 80% drop in brain-nourishing DHA consumption. Studies show that 85% of brain growth happens in your baby's first 3 years. That's why it's important to promote your little one's brain development with Enfagrow Premium Toddler Next Step Natural Milk. It contains 26 milligrams of DHA per serving, 2x the amount in Similac's Go and Grow milk flavor formula, and with 30% less sugar. Enfagrow has not been shown superior to Similac, Go and Grow in supporting brain development. Enfagrow Natural Milk Powder, 26 milligrams DHA and 11 g sugar per serving, versus Similac, Go and Grow, 12.7 milligrams DHA and 15 g sugar per serving. Is the #1 pediatrician recommended brand of infant formula, quintiles IMS, using the ProVoice survey fielded from October 1, 2016 to September 30, 2017. Not made with genetically modified ingredients, but trace amounts of genetically engineered materials may be present in the product from manufacturing environments and process sources. On the go, convenient and ready-to-use bottles, perfect for late-night feedings or on-the-go moms. For children ages 1+, contains 26 milligrams of brain-nourishing omega-3 DHA to assure brain support and rapid development. Triple Health Guard Blend contains omega-3 DHA to provide brain support, baby probiotics and vitamins for immune support, and 22 total nutrients for growth. Recipes: mix the Enfagrow powder or liquid into foods and snacks your toddler already loves. A very easy way to help get nutrients into their diet. Expert recommended DHA. Enfagrow Premium has expert recommended omega-3 DHA which supports brain development. #1 trusted brand. Enfamil is the #1 trusted brand for brain building and immune support. Pediatrician recommended. Enfamil is the #1 infant formula brand recommended by pediatricians. SNAP eligible to be purchased with Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP benefits.